Hey everyone, it's Daniel Litwin, the voice of B2B, coming at you from Premio's booth at ISC West 2023. Thank you for tuning into all of our coverage here from one of the leading shows in security, surveillance, and public safety. What we've been doing here at the show so far is breaking down a lot of high-level trends and getting a look at what Premio's offering at the booth this year. What we're wanting to do now is get more into the nitty-gritty and continue to break down each of the core products that represent our rugged edge computing product suite and how it's intersecting with the larger surveillance and security market. So I'm here with John Lamb, VP of Sales at Premio, who's going to help us break down one of the several rugged edge computers that Premio is showcasing this year, which is the RCO-3000-CML. John, thanks for joining us. How you doing?
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
great.
I appreciate you joining us here and breaking this down for us. So let's get right into it. Again, this is the RCO-3000-CML. There is a bigger rugged edge computer. There is a smaller one, so this one fills that middle tier. Go ahead and break down some of the key specs that we can find on this computer and why those specs help represent this sort of middle tier of edge computing needs for the industry.
Thank you. So this is our medium level of the system in the form factor. We definitely go beyond the engineering efforts to make our 6000 flagship smaller. We're shrinking the smaller size to 3000 we call, but still keeping the same socket performance of the processors. So you're not losing any power in terms of the processing power, graphical performance. You still have the same level of the platform of architecture supporting in this medium form factor, and this is about 25% smaller than the 6000 CML. With this one, you're also supporting more expansionability, such as our latest family line of the EDGEBoost I that can support you one universal bracket for multiple of very diversified feature, a lot of feature of the I/O.
Cool. If you could get into more specifics on what's inside, right? What processor are you using? What are some of the other key specifications that make this stand out?
Definitely. This is continue the same footprint of the 6000. It can still supporting the socket Intel 10 generations Core i7 CPU. You can have the supporting the ECC memory as well, and a different form factor of the drive capacities. Drive range from small drive 60 gig up to like 8 terabytes drives that can be supported in here. Also, we still giving you the removable drive bay. We didn't losing it. You also have one universal bracket and the latest USB 3.2 Gen 2 the port as well.
We've been talking also about key use cases that are defining these rugged edge computers in the larger security industry. What do you see as some of the main use cases in the industry where this level of compute and this form factor would be best put to work?
Yeah, this form factor is perfectly for mobile NVR solutions. So if you're considering some form factor very small but still very powerful, you can do this in real time, do the data storage, data logging, and also do analysis. And even we went further, we can supporting the AI accelerator on this small form factors footprints.
And how does that provide benefits, having edge AI as a core part of the computing and processing power?
Definitely the real-time machine learning and also the AI inferencing is very critical at the robust level and 24/7 operation. So this footprint will not sacrifice that features and still giving you additional the bonus of the storage, expandable, and also all kind of connectivities available.
Now, if we look ahead at some of the ways that the public safety and security industry is evolving, where do you feel the industry is headed, and how is that direction motivating potential new use cases that haven't even been fully defined yet for this level of rugged edge computing?
I think the market trend will be looking forward even more smaller than this, but even go without sacrificing a lot of the performance drop. So we definitely, our engineering team will be dedicated, committed in that direction to make this even more smaller in the footprint with the less power consumptions, but without losing the much performance of the drop.
Are there any other coming applications on your radar that you're excited to see the RCO-3000 deployed for that you think are going to help define some of the critical and defining use cases for this rugged edge computer?
We're definitely seeing security, surveillance, parameter control, prevention of crime preventions for sometimes it's maybe the natural disasters preventions, and you're going to get an alert from the weather, from the environment. You do want to have a quickest low latency product to in the edge level to processing the data quickly enough to respond in a real-time fashion. So we're definitely seeing we need to make that direction, continue the effort to make this happening.
Definitely. All right, John, I think that does it for the RCO-3000-CML. If folks want to learn a little bit more about this middle form factor solution in your larger product suite, where can they go to learn more and find out how it might apply to their industry?
Definitely, our website is premioinc.com, so please visit. We do have a very comprehensive, library of the product, data sheets, and all kind of use case and blog talk about it, white paper. And you're welcome to please visit our website.
Fantastic. All right, John Lamb, VP of Sales for Premio. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you.
Much appreciated. And thank you everyone for tuning into this product breakdown of our RCO-3000-CML rugged edge computer. Like John said, if you want more information on it, head to premioinc.com. Again, premioinc.com. And stay tuned for more coverage here from ISE West 2023.